Tanveer Hussain. I worked on a third-year project for my program, Computer Systems Engineering. So this is basically invisible drums. I mean, there's no drums here, but we can still play some drum stone. Let's see. This is, if you're gonna zoom in here. So this is the setup over here. We have some lasers. We have a set of laser and the LDR, which is hooked up to an Arduino. Then the Arduino is hooked up to a Raspberry Pi over there, which will basically detect my playing over here, and then send the signal back to Pi, and which will basically have a Python script which will play the tone. So that's a sort of like a snare kind of sound. So we also built an Android app over here. If you want to focus, this is how the app looks. So let's go over to the functionality. So say if I'm playing the drums at my home, I want to change the tone. So what I'm going to do is select set tone, go to the set tone list. So if you want to focus the list over here, so say for example I'm going to play a bass drum, say for example. So I'll just select the bass drum, and it's already there. So it's a bass drum now. So basically, a drummer can download different drum samples from the internet and have it on your phone, and then add those tones into the database, and then set those tones to play in that system over there. So let me show other functionalities over here. So say if I'm doing add tone now. So say if I want to add some different tones. So now I'm gonna actually basically show some background work over here. So say I want to add, say for example I downloaded this high bongo and I want to add it in my database. So let's show how my database is running here. So this is a MySQL database running at the back, and the server is UDP server. So if you want to zoom in, you will see here, if you can see, it's a 43 high bongo. That's the latest tone that I added over here. So you can also see we have in my database, I have a bunch of other tones like high bongo, 2 of them, bass drum, boom kick. So for example, I want to delete this boom kick from my database. So what I'm going to do, go to my Android app, delete tone, go to tone list. So I'm just selecting the name for that boom. Was it boom kick? Yeah, it was a boom kick, yeah. Oops. Bass drum. That was a boom kick. Well, I'm just trying to delete this boom kick that I showed you. That was already in the database. So I'm selecting boom kick. So if you come over here, voila, the boom kick is gone from the database. And then yeah, so add tone, set tone, delete tone. So this setup can be used by any drummer who doesn't have a drums, and it's very cheap, inexpensive. You can play with your headphone as well. You just hook up a headphone for different drum sets. At this point, we will have like different sets of lasers to have different tones. But if we want, of course, this project needs lots of improvement, but it gets the basic thing done. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.